Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So I was getting lots of questions from my viewers regarding the mobile lens compatibility. So in this video, I will help you by showing you how you can check whether the lens which you are buying will work with your mobile or not. So there are different type of lens clip which comes with different lenses. The first clip is a plastic clip which comes with micro, wide angle, 2x, anamorphic and some small size zoom lenses such as up to 20x zoom lens. The second lens clip is a metal lens clip. This comes with high magnification zoom lenses such as 28x, 36x and 60x, and also can be used with all other lenses also. The third clip is also a plastic clip and will not work with high zoom lenses as the first lens clip. The only difference between both the lens clip are that one can slide and another one is a fixed. Now let us see what happens if your mobile lens are placed on the side corners. If your mobile lens are on the corners, then all the three lens clip will work easily. That means all the lens will work properly. If your mobile lens are placed on the center and if they are on the top, then all three lens clip will work properly. If your lens is below that, then use this technique. Right now I am measuring the last point till which the lens clip will able to function. Now I will take a measuring scale and see the dimension. So it's approximately 4 cm. So now you can measure by yourself and see whether the lens will work or not. Also make sure that the whole lens should be covered in 4 cm. In simple words, the whole black round border should be covered. Now let us measure the metal clip in the same way. And it's 3.5 cm. So I hope this must have clarified all your doubts. If you are still finding any difficulties, you can also approach Apexel.in directly if you are buying Apexel lenses. And you can also comment me in my comment section. If you have found this video informative, then kindly do subscribe my channel and also share with your friends. Thank you.